The Klamath Basin is one of the most unique places in America. A wide variety of plants and animals flourish in the high-elevation marshes of the Klamath's headwaters, and a host of migratory fish species return to the river each year to spawn. Over the years, the Klamath's rich ecological diversity has provided the resources necessary for people from very different backgrounds and cultures to flourish. For thousands of years, 4 culturally distinct Native American tribes have called the Klamath Basin home. The Klamath tribes of Oregon, the Karuk along the Middle Klamath, the Hupa along the Trinity River, and the Yurok tribe at the mouth of the Klamath. Each tribe has a unique language and cultural practices. Together, these represent the largest tribe in Oregon and the 3 largest tribes in California. Later, European settlers arrived, giving rise to irrigated agriculture in the fertile lands of the Upper Basin, commercial fisheries along the coast, and the construction of hydropower dams along the Middle Klamath. Today, many believe that the mighty Klamath River has been asked to do too much. Farmers need dependable irrigation deliveries, while tribes and fishermen seek to protect and restore dwindling runs of salmon. This struggle over the Klamath's water has ignited a bitter debate, pitting farmers versus fishermen, fishermen versus environmentalists, environmentalists versus tribes. The end result is a rotating crisis. In some years, farmers are denied irrigation flows, leaving crops to wither and die in the field. Other years, tribal and fishing interests suffer as low flows and poor water quality lead to fish kills and low returns of salmon. As the economies of the basin have collapsed, farmers and fishermen have gone bankrupt and tribal communities have sunk deeper into poverty. However, there is one player in the basin who has not been affected by this rotating crisis: PacifiCorp. While farmers and fishermen take turns asking Congress for disaster relief, PacifiCorp continues to turn a profit for shareholders and parent corporations. As farmers mortgage their farms, fishermen take out loans to make payments on their boats, and Indians struggle to feed themselves, PacifiCorp has not been held accountable for their impacts on the river, until now. For the first time in 50 years, the communities of the Klamath River have the opportunity to evaluate the benefits and impacts of PacifiCorp's Klamath dams. The dams are currently undergoing a federally mandated relicensing process. Many basin residents see this as an opportunity to drastically improve the health of the river by removing the 4 lower dams. This would allow for a dramatic improvement in the fishery, resulting in healthier economies, fewer regulatory burdens for farmers, and a sustainable rural lifestyle for all. What role did the dams play in the decline of salmon? The decline of water quality? The loss of tourist-based economies? The loss of rural lifestyles? Can the electricity the dams produce be replaced with other forms of power? Can the diverse communities in the basin work together to solve common problems? To answer these questions, we'll talk to residents and community leaders from around the basin, farmers, fishermen, and tribal members. We will also talk to researchers, scientists, and economists. What everyone shares is a common vision of economic stability and rural lifestyles.